How to create a chatgpt account on your phone. So you basically need your phone and your internet connection, then you are good to go. Chatgpt is an AI tool that will help you generate all your YouTube content. So if you're a content creator, make this your best friend, and it will create YouTube script. It will create everything that you need, YouTube titles. If you run out of video ideas in your niche, ChatGPT will do the job for you. So please, if you're interested, watch this video until the end, and I'm going to share with you how to create a ChatGPT account and how to use it. Okay, so this is how it creates all its script. Anyways, you are just going to go to your Google browser, if in case you have Google. So it's available on both app stores and Play stores. So it's available on Apple and Google Play Store. That's what I mean. You are just going to go to your Google browser and type in ChatGPT, and it will, the one with green watermark. You will just go to its website and see how it's going to help you. This is a lifesaver, guys. Most of the YouTube creators now use this to create almost all their content. Now it requires you to create a Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, you can go ahead and use your email address. For my case, I do have an account already, but I'll show you how to create an AI account. Okay, a ChatGPT account. Create your YouTube and learn how to create YouTube content for free just using an AI tool. So it will ask you to put your password, then it will take you directly to the website. This is the website. You can ask this ChatGPT to generate anything that you want. Are you running out of TikTok videos, TikTok motivation videos, TikTok ideas, YouTube video ideas? ChatGPT will do the job for you. So for instance, let me ask ChatGPT to create a sad story about an orphan. Hello, can you write me a sad story about an orphan who got kidnapped? Let's say like that. ChatGPT will generate a full story about an orphan who got kidnapped. And just in case you don't like the story, you can always rewrite, and it will generate something that you really want, and it will be quality. So you can use that, script that, and upload to your YouTube channel and make some money. Anyways, so this is the script. This is the story that it has written for us. Also, if you are good at writing Reddit stories, ChatGPT is the site for you. Okay, yes. So for instance, let me say a long sad story about an orphan who got kidnapped. This is going to be a long sad story about an orphan who got kidnapped from ChatGPT, guys. How cool is this? How cool is this site? So please, I kindly request you, if you are running out of YouTube stories, YouTube video ideas, YouTube titles, YouTube anything that includes the internet, so you can come here and create full blogs about your blog. Anyways, okay, let's go ahead and create something else. Can you give me let's say, can you give me YouTube video ideas on how to make money online? This is the cool, and this is something that is trending now. So please let ChatGPT be your friend if you're a content creator in 2024 and you won't stay the same and you won't regret. Okay, ChatGPT will give you all the YouTube ideas about freelancing, creating profitable blogs, affiliate marketing, and I think these are all the interesting topics that people are talking about on how to make money online in 2023, and 2024 is going to be almost everything. Okay, e-commerce, virtual assistant, online courses. This is something everyone is talking about. Thank you.